how exactly does a compressor work? The sound comes in, and when it goes above the threshold, the compressor turns it down. The higher the ratio, the more the compressor turns it down. Furthermore, the attack determines how quickly the compressor does this, the release determining how quickly it stops doing this. And so the attack and release slow the compressor down. In this visual, this section and this section are below the threshold. And so can you see how the compressor is compressing, changing the volume over time, noticing the long attack and release? The sound hits the threshold and the compressor turns it down, remembering that because of the attack, it takes some time to do so. It's then held, it's then held, it's then held until the input drops below the threshold and the compressor releases, taking 50 milliseconds to stop compressing, turning the volume down. In practice, however, it looks very different. Here, a kick which I'm compressing, most importantly with an attack time 0. And then in addition, I am turning it up after the compression, as you can see here, 10.7 dB, giving something looking like this. I'll explain this 10.7 dB makeup gain in a separate video, but can you see how compression is reducing dynamic range, but in a way that isn't totally flattening the sound like a limiter? It's all to do with the ratios. Thanks for watching.